Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. I'm not sure I understand. Today's heat is maddening. It's crazy. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Today is Wednesday, and I'm literally parked outside my house. I've been working all day, so updates throughout this week. I'm actually at my parents' house. My dad is out of town, and usually when both of them are not in town, Momsy and Popsy, they will beg me to go and be doing caretaker for them in their house. So Mia, myself and Eliza literally moved in there in quotes just yesterday. Woo, I'm sweating. It's sun in Abuja. Ha, nah man, it's mad. What I would just be doing this week is, you know, be sleeping over, and then in the morning I would just come down here, come to my house, literally just behind their house, come to my house and work the whole day, and then go back towards evening. So it's literally like past 3, still very much early in the afternoon. But Jessie and I are going over to that place. Going over there, we're going to get Mia Rose and then go pick up a few things because she's been home all day, so I can imagine how bored she is. So we'll just go pick her up and then go somewhere and buy stuff. Yeah, that's the plan for now. But I'm rocking this hair. I got this hair, was it last month or 2 months ago, but I'm wearing it for the first time today. I got it from Lola Express Hair. It's a hair brand I've worked with in the past, and I really like their hair, so I got this one. I used to love having this short coily hair back then, so when I saw that they had something like this, I didn't hesitate to just, you know, pick up one for myself. And I love the color. The color is literally like right up my alley. So yeah, not sponsored. I bought the hair with my own money, but just thought to show you guys because I love it. And it's also great for this very, very hot weather because it's not really like touching my back, just almost like my neck area. Let me on this AC before I melt here. So yeah, I'm happy. It has been a productive day today. I edited today's Vlogmas video. Today is the 15th, so that should be Vlogmas day 15. I also finished editing a sponsored reel. Oh my god, it's supposed to go up now. I should do that. So I finished editing a sponsored reel, and also I filmed another sponsored reel today, so it's been quite productive, to be honest. Yeah, anyways, let's head out. Jesse is, where is he? He's supposed to drive behind me because we are using one car to go and buy stuff. So anyways, talk to you guys later. Hey, come out from there, madam. Wiggle, touch your toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Touch your head and wiggle, 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 wiggle it all around. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Touch your and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Touch your and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Zoom, zoom. No! How dare you! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Down and down along came you.
I hope you guys are doing good. I'm literally outside Mia's school to pick up her report for the term, okay? And it was also more like an open day thing, also to go through their continuous assessments and, you know, their answer sheets for their exams and all of that. And my baby made me so proud, okay? Because she does have a lot of A's. Like almost everything here is A, only like 1 B. The rest are A's. Literacy, that's it right there. Literacy A, numeracy A, civic morals A, creative arts A, handwriting A, PHE A, phonics A, practical life A, projects work B, rhymes A. And these A's are like A+ because they are like A and they're asterisk. Science A, social habits A. Like, my baby is killing it, okay? Effectives, her neatness, punctuality, cooperation, reliability, everything. Excellence, 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 excellence. Class attendance, excellence. I'm happy. Honesty, excellence. Politeness, excellence. I'm so happy. Like, as a parent, this is what you want. Okay, this is what you want to be seen in your child's school reports. and by the grace of God I hope that this continues even as she gets older. I do have a couple of things to do, but before that I'm going back home. I need to film my second Q&A video, and I need to also film a sponsored reel, and also after that I need to go and run errands in town as well. So that's my plan for today. And yeah guys, just thought to update you guys on Mia Rose's stellar performance, because a mother is proud.
Much later.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. So I was just on my own, resting, relaxing, chilling. I got a call from a dispatch rider that I had a package downstairs, so I had to go and collect it, only for me to get downstairs and I saw that it was from my girl Wura.ng. I've spoken about this brand so many times at this point on my channel, and I was not expecting this. I didn't order anything, so I was not expecting this at all. What did she send to me? Oh my god. Jesus, you're like, what? Like 3 outfits here. There's a note in one of the packages. Dear Alma, this dress is for you. Thank you for all the support through the year. I could never repay you. God bless you. Kisses to Mia. Merry Christmas. Oh my god. From all of us at Ura.ng. Oh, I'm going to cry. Oh my god. She said this dress is for you, but there are 3 stuff here. Wait, no. I'm going to have to call her because I don't understand. It's not picking. Oh. She probably will call me back when she sees my missed call, but oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. This is like a maxi dress. So pretty. I love this print. Jesus. It's got lace on the sleeves as well as at the bust area. Wow. Wura. Second one is it's a jumpsuit. She knows I love the Fini jumpsuits from Wura.ng. I have the green and the red. It's like she sent me the black as well to add to my collection. Oh, I have this very dark emerald green color in my closet already. So I'm wondering why she sent me another one. I feel so special. I feel special anytime anybody like gives me something, like says, okay, this is a gift for you. Like, it always feels so good. Thank you so much, Wura. I haven't spoken to you yet, so I'm still going to talk to you. Okay, so I'm just looking at our last chat and I forgot that she actually said she was going to send some jumpsuits for a giveaway. So for those of you that have been asking for a giveaway before the year runs out, okay, we now have a giveaway. I'm only going to be giving away the green because that black one, I like it. Okay, I like that black jumpsuit. I don't have a black jumpsuit. It's like a plain black jumpsuit, so I'm sorry, but I'm only going to be giving away this green because I have this green in my wardrobe already and I love it. Like, these jumpsuits are so easy. They come with belts that you can tie on them on the waist, but I barely even use the belts. The jumpsuits are like the easiest thing to wear when you don't know what to wear to go somewhere. I wear them to run errands. I wear them for like casual outings. I wear them to, you can dress them up to like a proper outing. Like, you can wear it with a blazer over it. Like, the list is endless. I have the red and the green and I wear them a lot. So I'm going to be giving away this green one. It's an oversized jumpsuit. This one is in a size 16, but it can fit a size 14. And if you're a size 12 and you love oversized stuff, it can fit you. If you're a 16, it can fit you. If you're a size 18 too, I believe it can fit you because they run, you know, slightly big. So that's the item I'm giving away in today's vlog. What rules now? What rules? Okay, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram. It's always on the screen. Make sure you go and follow at Wura.ng on Instagram as well. I will leave the handle on the screen. Go and follow them. I will be checking. If you don't follow them, I will not give you. All right, obviously there can only be one winner, so it's only open to those in Abuja because this festive period I don't want to go through the stress of trying to send somebody something outside Abuja. So if you're based in Abuja, this giveaway is for you. So yeah, those are the rules. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, follow Wura.ng on Instagram, comment down below saying why you want to win the jumpsuit. Okay, that's another rule. Comment down below in the comments of this video why you want to win the jumpsuit, and yeah, it just might be you. Christmas gift.
The next day.
Baby, you know I love you. Ah, God, I used to be so obsessed with this song. Guys, I've had such a productive day today. I filmed and edited today's Vlogmas video, filmed tomorrow's video, filmed some sponsored reels, so I feel really good with myself today. My makeup was looking on point today. Today was all about green, you know. Anyway, I just stopped in front of Sahad store, their head office at Gariki, and I'm here because throughout yesterday evening I was going around my location looking for Mia's diaper. So Mia has been potty trained about 80%. So she tells you she wants to wee, and then she uses her potty to wee. She wants to poop, she poops in her potty now, glory be to God. But when she's sleeping, you can never tell what she's gonna do. So there are times we've left her without diaper while she's sleeping and she has peed on the bed, obviously. So we wear diapers for her to sleep only now, especially at night, okay? But I looked all over my location yesterday evening for her diaper. I didn't see her size, which was really strange because I always would find it around where I stay. I checked all the stores, all the shops around that area, and I did not see. So I had to come all the way to Sahad now in Gariki to look for this almighty diaper. All right, I've actually been saving money on diapers because she doesn't wear diapers all day, only at night when she's about to go to bed. So I've been saving more money on diapers, thankfully. If I buy one pack of 28 diapers, it will last for literally almost a month, which is good. So yeah, anyways, let me head in and look for that. And what else? I might pick up a few things as well from here because Sahad always has plenty of things. So let's go. Guys, this is flipping unbelievable. They don't even have the brand at all. They even moved from this old building, this older building. Now they've moved opposite. There's a glass building opposite that they've moved to now, but they don't even have the brand at all. That's very strange. There is a H-Medics around this area. I'm just going to go and check for it there. At this point, I'm just so annoyed. I saw another brand entirely there, size 6+, but they are nappies, like the ones that you have to strap, and Mia has gone past that strapping. I'm so used to using pants for her, nappy pants, so I'm stressed, man. So this one is XXL 60. I think I'll get this one because I can't see the other one. This is my last hope for now, guys. This isn't usually the brand she uses. She uses Huggies, but they don't even have Huggies her size, so I have to go with this one. At least this is greater than 16 kg. So yeah, this will work, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. So I know I have stayed off YouTube for 2 days during the Vlogmas period season. My last anything on YouTube was my Sunday's live video. I needed just 2 days to just like get myself. I have actually still been working, even though I've been chillaxing, but I've also been working, you know, putting out Instagram content and everything. So I haven't really been like chilling like that, you get me? Anyway, I'm back so that we can round up this Vlogmas Vlogmas uploads. I can't wait for it to end. Oh my god. Also, don't forget that I have a giveaway in today's vlog. I should announce the winner maybe, let me see, maybe on the video that will be going up on Christmas Day. Yeah, maybe that, so look out for that. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.